Introduction to Creative Thinking. The ability to think creatively is an essential skill for every manager. By applying your creativity, it is possible to break out of your usual routines and patterns of behavior and to increase your personal effectiveness. Thinking creatively will show you how to tap into your innate creativity so that you can find innovative solutions to difficult problems. It will help you understand the process of generating and assessing ideas, and it will show you how to benefit from sharing ideas with others in order to build consensus and commitment. There are several tips throughout this video series to give you practical advice and enable you to evaluate your ability as a creative thinker. As you develop the techniques that will help you stimulate creativity in yourself and in others. Understanding creativity. Thinking creatively helps you find ways to deal with challenges and form opportunities. Understand how creativity can help you become more successful in all areas of your life. What is creativity? Creativity is the process of challenging accepted ideas and ways of doing things in order to find new solutions or concepts. Be aware of the obstacles that stand in the way of the creative impulse and understand the benefits that creative thinking can bring you. Tip: recognize that everyone has the ability to be creative. Creative thinking. Some people are naturally creative, but most of us accept things as they are. For example, a plastic bottle is only a bottle to some people. But to a creative thinker, it could also be a disposable container, a funnel, or a tiny greenhouse. Creative thinking starts with questioning. Are objects really just what we assume them to be? Or are they that way only because we see them like that? Tip: change your current patterns of thinking. Benefiting from creativity. Over the centuries, creative people have provided new solutions to the problems of their day. The ability of human beings to find creative solutions to problems is essential for the well-being of the human race. On a social level, collective creativity provides the opportunity to improve quality of life. In organizations, creativity is essential to ensure a firm's ongoing effectiveness in a changing world. On a personal level, creativity can help you break out of routines you dislike. Tip: remember, change begins with questioning. Using logical and creative thinking, we generate ideas by thinking creatively, and then we use logical thinking to help turn these thoughts into realistic actions. Understand the benefits of both logical and creative thinking, so that you can start to adapt the way you think. Tip: understand how logical and creative thinking are integral to each other. Thinking logically. When we are faced with a familiar problem, logical thinking enables us to tap into our personal experiences and find a suitable solution with the minimum of effort. By assessing a situation against your relevant experience, you can choose the most appropriate path and move towards a solution. This logical approach, also known as convergent thinking, is very efficient. However, it can become a barrier when you have little relevant experience, when there are a few potential solutions, or when you need a brand new solution. Tips: use your past experiences to find solutions. And think creatively to increase your opportunities. Thinking creatively. Divergent thinking, or creative thinking, involves opening up your mind to find new solutions and new ways of doing things. Instead of taking your usual, logical approach to a problem, learn to suspend your judgment and look for different, more inventive solutions. Once you have generated as many ideas as possible in this way, use a logical thinking process to refine your ideas and identify the best solution to the problem. Tip: explore possible options before making decisions. Exploring creativity. Most people are creative in their private lives, but tend to be less creative in their public selves. Our conditioned behavior encourages us to keep problems to ourselves and find quick fixes that involve as few people as possible. Start to break this habit. When you are faced with a problem, spend time exploring ideas, and involve other people in your search for solutions. Tip: think of possible solutions to a problem and then evaluate them using logical thinking. Becoming creative. We all have the ability to be creative, but this mindset is better developed in some people than in others. Examine how to overcome the conditioning that blocks your creativity, and learn to use your knowledge and experience more productively. Tip: Use your imagination to find different solutions. Unlocking creativity. We are brought up to believe that certain behaviors and thoughts are right and others are wrong. This conditioning constrains our thinking and prevents us from finding new answers. Unlock your creativity. Empower yourself to question your ways of doing things. Changing the box. We are conditioned not to think the unthinkable. For example, many people prefer not to ask for an explanation about an issue they do not understand, for fear of looking stupid. Let go of preconceived ideas and break the glass wall of conditioning in order to find your creative self. Avoid accepting procedures as they are just because they have always been that way. Seek ways of doing things differently and always aim to increase your effectiveness and that of your organization. Tip: understand how conditioning forces you to think in a prescribed way and limits your potential. Looking at information. Our minds store vast amounts of information. When you receive an input signal, such as someone asking you a question, your mind will automatically access its relevant data store. Without this natural ability, you would spend a lot of time doing ordinary things. For example, finding your way to work would be a new experience every day. However, this mental process, which makes us very efficient in our everyday lives, is a barrier to creativity. Avoid making instant assumptions and connections. Tip: aim to look at information in more productive, insightful ways. Understanding the creative process. When you bring together ideas that were not previously connected or see new ways of doing things, you are thinking creatively. Examine how the creative process works and start to change your current patterns of thinking. Tip: recognize that creativity is driven by the desire to improve processes. Using humor. Humor provides an analogy to the creative process. The basic storyline of a joke is logical and usually depicts an everyday situation. As the listener, you recognize the scenario and think you know how the story will progress. The punchline then destroys your preconceptions. You are jumped from one store of information to another. Tips: bypass your assumptions and think creatively. And believe that you can think of solutions. Breaking patterns. Learn to override your natural thinking processes and your tendency to rely on your usual way of doing things, so that you can find new solutions. Identify how you would normally deal with a difficult situation, and then deliberately adopt a different approach. For example, perhaps you are faced with a seemingly impossible deadline. Instead of deciding to work late to make sure that the work is finished on time, think about what would happen if the schedule was amended. Notice how changing your approach creates new opportunities. Tips: try not to be constrained by rules and accept that problems are the food of creativity. Using your imagination. All creative thinking techniques work on the basis of imposing a condition on your thinking, for example, encouraging the use of your imagination. Imagination is the lifeblood of creativity. Use it to disrupt your natural thinking patterns. For example, when you are unsure about what you want from your job, visualize your desired future. Create a vision that you can work towards. Then, use your logical mind to work out how you can make this goal a reality. Identifying thinking patterns. In order to become more creative, you need to be aware of how you usually respond to situations or issues. Notice your current behavior patterns and ways of thinking and test how creative you really are. Be honest with yourself. Tip: understand your thinking processes so that you are able to adapt them. Understanding the way you think. It is hard to generalize about people's thinking processes, because individuals tend to react to different situations in different ways. For example, a manager may find that he or she works in a very structured way at work, but is chaotic at home. Notice how you react to certain scenarios, so that you can start to change the way you think. Ask yourself searching questions. What do you think obstructs your creative impulses? For example, do you find that you are always so busy that you never make time to think creatively? Understanding your thought processes. Research indicates that the two hemispheres of the brain process information in different ways, and your natural thinking style will depend on the side of your brain you tend to be led by. Decide whether you are naturally creative. Tip: Identify the side of the brain that you are naturally influenced by. Understanding how your brain works, the left part of the brain processes information in a logical way, while the right part of your brain focuses on the creative, intuitive part of your personality. Most people tend to be dominated by one or other side of their brains and have distinct thinking styles. Some people can adapt to both modes. People who are dominated by the right side of their brains are naturally creative, but this does not mean that people who are dominated by the left side of their brains cannot be creative. Recognizing left brain dominance. The left side of the brain processes information by taking small, separate pieces and building up a big picture from which it draws conclusions. Individuals who are more influenced by the left hemisphere of the brain work through problems logically. They are good at developing strategies and like to base their decisions on facts. They are articulate, good communicators. While they tend to conform to rules, they are also adaptable. Tip: notice how you approach problems, and think about whether you are naturally creative. Recognizing right brain dominance. People who are dominated by the right side of their brains are not happy to just follow an instruction and carry out a task, they need to know why they are doing it. These people like to see, hear, and feel what is required of them. They trust their feelings and answer questions intuitively. Notice whether you tend to think way or not. Even you are not naturally creative, you can learn how to change your approach.
Thank you for watching our channel. For more updates, please subscribe and share.